peace of mind. You make me insecure. I pretend that it's good when I'm not. 'Cause I'm hurt.
Good afternoon, good evening, guys. Let's do this shopping haul over here. Let me show you. I have all these things here. I've just come from Carrefour, and I'll just do a quick haul and show you what I got. This is very easy. So here we have bread, this one is for the buns. We have pasta, we have yellow beans, more pasta, we have sugar, maize flour, wheat flour, self-raising flour, probiotic from Bio. We have this one. I think we had more. Let me just get all the yogurts. Oh my god! Okay. So we have the snacks. Share those with Brianna. Then here we have Brookside Mala natural, 2 of them. We have flavored milk for the kids. We have cranberry. This is cranberry. This juice is very expensive. One pack is 700 bob. Then we have probiotic. I like taking probiotics in the morning. So we have this. These are for the kids. Then we have ketchup. Brandon, come and remove these ones. And then we have KCC yogurt, vanilla. So we have a lot for the week, then up to next week. We have salt, pink Himalayan. We have paprika. We have cubes, Royco, nor beef, Royco. We have baking soda, we have hot sauce, and we have choma spice. So that's what we have here. Okay, here we have dishwashing soap, we have golden fry for deep frying, we have rinse-on, we have fabric softener, we have Vim, we have fabric freshener for freshening up your clothes and bed sheets. We have bath soap, collagen, I take this every morning. And then we have Velvex 10 pack and 10 pack. I think that's that. Here we have dosas. This one is garlic. This one is garlic, ginger, and turmeric inside here. These are tomatoes. These are passion, not apples. Pink lady. These are passion fruits. Passion. And the cabbage. And then finally we have 2 boxes of Brookside over here. So that's it for this haul. And my tricks